going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. So for today, I don't have much plan going on, so I'm just gonna as you guys might remember, Angel, the one who painted my DSM, the one who painted the Bay and Andy's DSM, and you guys seen them around in the videos, spraying out all our cars. Well, today he's actually spraying his car. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but we have this thing coming up in Vegas. It's called Supra's Invade Vegas, so the whole gang is gonna go out down to that event, and today he's painting his car. And if you guys do not remember what he drives an SRT4. So today I'm currently on my way right now to go get the truck washed, get it cleaned up because it's pretty dirty, and then we're gonna go down to Angel's shop to see how he's doing on the SRT. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Like I said, not much going on today. I'm not gonna be messing with no DSMs today. Today's Sunday. Trying to watch that football game. Also big fan of the Arizona Cardinals, so we'll see how they do today. So yeah, let's get this truck washed, and then we'll head down to Angel's shop to see how he's doing on his car. Alrighty, got the truck semi cleaned up. Now I'm on my way to Angel's shop. So I'll see you guys when we get there. We're here, boys. Well, alrighty, guys, so we have arrived. Looks like he has it all prepped up and ready to go pretty much. So I'm gonna go check up with him to see what as far as how far he is. I'm sure he's getting ready to spray it though. There's my brother Supra over there, if you guys remember. What up, G's? Alright, so we got it all pulled in. He said he's gonna mask it, and then after he's done masking it, well, the good stuff comes, the spraying. So Angel put my ass to work. Told me he wants me to sand all these down, his door handles and his gas cap. So time to get a little bit some sanding going. He's over there. He's gonna start masking his car so he can start it. So I got all these all sanded down. Alrighty, guys, so I had gone home to go do a couple of things, so now I'm heading back to Angel's shop to see how he's doing on the SRT4. I left the truck at home and we're in the DSM, so about to pull up. Alright, guys, so let's check out Pam. Looks like he already got the first coat on things. Looking hella saucy. I made it just in time. What do you guys think? I like the color. And he's gonna do his wheels white, so it's gonna look real nice. This is still, I'm sure he's still gonna do like one more coat and then probably do the clear coat, or unless he's done with the final color and do the clear coat. So we're gonna wait a little bit. We'll see see him throw the clear coat now that I'm here. Alrighty guys, he's gonna get ready to spray the clear coat on his bad boy. It turned into a party, guys. Mr. LFA TV showed up, and they better roll up. So I'm gonna watch the DSM. We'll go ahead and we're gonna take some pictures right now. Alrighty, guys. Well, he's finally done. Check it out. Ready to roll. French Montana looking ass. Alrighty guys, I made it back home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really digging the color on Angel's car. I think it came out pretty nice. You know, we had a good time. Ended up taking pictures and getting some shots of the car, so that was pretty cool. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. And please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.